Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to easily create a car badge reveal animation in After Effects. Let's get started. First, duplicate the original clip with the badge and rename it clean. Make sure to turn off the visibility of the bottom copy, since we won't need it. I keep the original clip as a recovery layer, so if anything goes wrong, I'll always have the original down below. Ensure that the clean layer is selected. Next, we'll mask and track the car badge using Mocha AE. In Mocha, select the ellipse tool and draw a mask around the badge, leaving a small margin so the mask does not touch the badge itself. After that, enable perspective and click track forward, then allow the tracking process to complete. After the tracking is finished, save the tracking data and close Mocha AE. In After Effects, under the Mocha AE effect, open the matte, and click Create AE Masks. With the mask created, press M to reveal the mask settings and change the mask mode to subtract to invert it. At this point, the badge area should appear completely black. If it does not, make sure that all steps were followed correctly and ensure that any layers below this one are disabled. Otherwise, the badge will not be removed accurately. The next step is removing the black area using Content-Aware Fill. If you don't see it, go to the window menu and enable it. Let's adjust a few settings. I'll set Alpha Expansion to around 3. Alpha Expansion slightly expands the edge of the filled area, helping Content-Aware Fill blend the patch more smoothly with the surrounding pixels and avoid visible seams. Next, set the fill method to Edge Blend, and change the range to Work Area. Ensure that the work area is aligned with the clip you're working with, otherwise, Content-Aware Fill will analyze the entire composition, increasing processing time. Once all set, click Generate Fill Layer and allow the analysis to complete. Once the process is complete, restore the work area and preview the clip to review the results. The badge should be cleanly removed, and the footage should appear smooth and seamless. Next, move the fill layer directly above the clean layer to prepare for the reveal animation. Duplicate the clean layer and place it above the fill layer. Rename this new layer badge, as it will represent the isolated badge element. Press M to reveal the mask settings and change the mask mode to Add, making the badge visible again. With everything properly set up, we can now begin the animation. There are multiple ways to animate the badge, and my preferred method uses a free plugin called Displacer Pro. Start by clicking the Translate Y stopwatch to create a keyframe at the beginning of the layer, then adjust the value until the badge is fully hidden. Next, move forward to the point where you want the badge to appear and set Translate Y back to 0%. Let's preview the result and see what we can improve. If you look closely, the edges appear too sharp, but we can fix that quickly. Expand map adjustments and increase the map softness slightly. Next, reduce the map gamma until the badge fully disappears. Nice, now let's preview the result one more time. Everything looks clean and polished. As mentioned earlier, there are multiple methods you can use to animate the badge. You can achieve this with various effects, but Displacer Pro provides a very smooth result. Additionally, the plugin is completely free, and you'll find the download link in the description below. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.